Hey guys, I wanted to jump on right quick and tell you guys about a new glitter company that I recently discovered from one of my friends called Charlie Rose. This was my first order that I had ever placed with her, and I loved them so much that I wanted to place a second order, and I received it today, so I'm really excited about it, and I just wanted to open it up real quick and show you guys what I got. So, well, I'll talk about this first order that I received. The first one is Coral Charm. This one came on my very first order with them, and I just absolutely love it. Just gonna swatch it right quick and show you just how pretty that is. The next one is Dahlia, which is this really pretty purpley wine color. It's a metallic. It's really pretty. I have a picture of this one on a cup. I just recently used it, and I will insert a thumbnail of that in just a second. Lastly, I just really needed a good black, so I ordered black Hollyhock. Is that focusing? There's nothing, it's not holographic or anything, it's just really shiny and sparkly. I have not used this under epoxy yet, so I'm not quite sure what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure this one's going to be a really good sparkly one, and I'll update you on that after I use it. Now on to the new stuff. And I ordered Forget Me Not, Hibiscus, Himalayan Poppy, Opal Innocents, and White Oleander, which are all custom mixes. These are so pretty. What I got. So I brought out some bottles so that I can bottle these up as I show them to you. Light blue, maybe with a hint of pink and purple to it. Oh, and by the way, I ordered these in the 4-ounce sizes, and the jars that I use are little 9-ounce spice jars that I get off of Amazon, and they fill it up pretty good. It's the perfect amount, actually. This is what it looks like over black. Next one I got is Hibiscus. The next one I got is Opal Innocents. Next is Himalayan Poppy. This one is metallic and it looks like it has a little bit of opals mixed in with it. Maybe like an opal or iridescent white maybe. I'm not quite sure, but it's really pretty. It's kind of like a mermaidy teal. I don't know what color mermaid is, but something I would probably use on like an ocean cup or something like that. Lastly, I'm really excited about this one. This one is a chunky. It's called White Oleander. It's really pretty. Alright guys, I just wanted to jump on real quick and show you all of these new little goodies. I can't wait to use them. Let me know if you have any questions. See ya, bye.